If the problem with your dryer is that it's not starting in any of the cycles that you try it on, one of the parts that you need to check is the belt. If the belt is broken or it has derailed from the motor pulley, the dryer is not going to start. Let me show you the easier way to check the belt. Open the dryer door and try to turn the drum. If the drum turns easily, most likely the belt is broken or derailed from the motor pulley. Make sure that you disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. With the dryer disconnected from the wall outlet, there's no chance of you getting an electrical shock, okay? To remove the top panel to see if the belt is broken, you need to remove these 3 screws. Then you need to remove the top panel. To remove it, pull it out a little bit, lift it from the front, and take it out. Now you can see if the belt is broken or not. In this case, the belt is broken and it probably have fallen under the drum inside of the dryer. In order to be able to install a new belt, you need to take the dryer apart. With the top panel removed, let me show you how to take the dryer apart. Remove these 4 screws. Disengage the control panel from the holding bracket. Remove the controls panel and lay it down on top of the dryer like this. Disconnect the wire harness from the door switch. And move the wire harness out of the way. Remove the following screws. You could bend a piece of coat hanger wire like this, and you could use it to hold the front panel in place until you remove it. Open the dryer door and remove these 2 screws. Now you could close the door. Remove the front panel holding wire. And then remove the front panel. Disconnect the drum light wire harness. Unhook the door switch wire harness from the holding clips. Remove this bracket and put it to the side together with the controls panel. Then let them hang by the wires, like this. Next, you will need to remove the front drum support panel. To remove the panel, you will need to remove these 4 screws. Disconnect the moisture sensor. To remove the drum support panel, you will need to lift it to unhook it from the cabinet. And to install it, you need to make sure you lift it and hook it to the cabinet. Now all you need to do is to unhook the panel and remove it. Let me show you an easy way to keep the drum in place while you install the belt. You will need to use a piece of wire like this. It could also be a piece of coat hanger wire. Turn the drum until the drum baffle screws are in this position. Put the wire through this hole and secure it in place. Unscrew the baffle screw halfway out. Lift the drum in place and wrap the wire around the screw. Then screw the screw in to secure the wire in place. Now the drum will stay in place, making it easier for you to install the belt. Remove the broken belt from under the drum. Put the new belt around the drum. Move the new belt to the mark of the old belt on the drum. Make sure that the belt ridges are facing the drum. Use 2 pieces of duct tape to hold the belt in place so it won't move. Lean the dryer against the wall like this and engage the belt on the motor and idle pulleys. This is the way that the belt is supposed to go around the motor pulley and the idle pulley. Install the front drum support panel. Make sure that these tabs hook into the cabinet. Hook up the front panel tabs into the cabinet. Make sure that the rollers are under the drum properly. And secure the front drum support panel in place with the 4 holding screws. Stand up the dryer. Remove the 2 pieces of duct tape. Loosen the screw. Remove the wire from the screw and tighten the screw. Then remove the wire from the back panel. Turn the drum counterclockwise for a couple revolutions until the belt is aligned. Now it's time to put the dryer back together. Connect the wires of the moisture sensor. Put the controls board bracket in place. And put the controls board on top of the drum like this. Connect the wire harness to the drum light. Put the front panel in place. Secure the front panel with the holding screws. Put the door switch wire harness on the holding clips. And connect the wire harness to the door switch. Open the door on the dryer and screw in these two screws. Put the controls panel in place and secure it with the 4 holding screws. Put the top panel in place and secure it with the holding screws. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet and try it out to see if it works now. If the dryer starts working okay, then that was the only problem you had, a broken belt. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.